First things first, and I'm talking to you, the guy with the rusty, gouged propane tank that like hisses at you. Get a new tank. We're talking propane maintenance. You've connected your tank to your grill. It's usually pretty simple. Just remember, you want to slowly turn on the valve that's on the top of your propane tank. You don't want to rush into that. There's a little safety mechanism in there to try to make sure that everything, it's a redundancy, but it could activate if you go too fast. You also want to make sure before you even turn that valve that all of your control knobs are off. If they're open at all, the safety mechanism will catch on your tank, and then if that happens, your grill will fire up, everything will be cool, but your grill will never get above 250, maybe 300 degrees. And don't worry, if that does happen, here's the fix. Make sure all of your control knobs are completely off, turn your gas tank off, disconnect your gas tank, let it sit for a minute or so, reconnect your tank, slowly turn the valve on, and then refire your grill. Everything should be fine. It's kind of like when your router's not working, you call the IT guy, you pull all the wires out or whatever, and then he says, power it off, wait a minute, power it back on, and then everything's fine.